In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change paper size in Google Docs. First, open your Google Docs. Go ahead and open the specific document you want to format, whether you're starting from a blank file or adjusting an existing one. It helps to know that paper size is a document-wide setting in Google Docs, so when you change it, it applies to the entire document. If you're collaborating with others, everyone viewing the file will see the updated paper size, and it will carry through when you print or export to PDF. Next, head to the File menu at the top left of the screen and choose Page Setup. This is your central place for layout settings. If your window is small, you may need to expand the window or scroll within the menu to see it. The Page Setup dialog is where Google Docs groups size, orientation, and margins, so it's a good idea to pause here for a second and make sure you're comfortable with the current settings before you change anything. Inside Page Setup, look for the paper size option. You'll see a drop-down showing the current selection, which is often letter in the United States or A4 in many other regions. This label tells you what your document is set to right now. Knowing the current size is useful because switching between sizes can slightly adjust where page breaks fall and how your content wraps, especially with images, tables, or multi-column layouts. Now, select your preferred paper size from the list. Pick the size that matches your needs. A4 for many international documents, letter for most US printers, legal for longer forms, or other standard options like tabloid when you need a larger canvas. After you choose, confirm the change by clicking OK or Apply in the dialog. Your document will update immediately. Take a moment to scroll through a few pages to make sure everything looks right. Text may reflow and page breaks may shift, which is normal. If you see an image or table that moved in an unexpected way, reposition it now so your layout stays clean. A quick tip as you review: switch your zoom to fit or 100% to get a realistic view of how the page will print. If you plan to share or print, remember that the selected paper size controls how your PDF exports and how your printer interprets the pages. Choosing the correct size now helps avoid scaling or unexpected margins later. That's all there is to it. Open your document, go to File, choose Page Setup, find paper size, and select the one you need. Thanks for watching, and happy writing.